Nursing homes and assisted living facilities certainly remain a focus for health officials. A second death has now been reported at a nursing home in Carroll County, a man in his 80s with underlying health conditions. And WJZ is live tonight. Kelsey Kushner with the very latest. Kelsey.
Well, Rick, those numbers continue to rise for that nursing home in Mount Airy. They say that there are now more cases of positive COVID-19 inside that nursing home. That means there's now more patients who are in the hospital, and the National Guard is stepping in to help out. A coronavirus outbreak at Pleasant View Nursing Home in Mount Airy led to the death of two men, one in his 90s and the latest, a man in his 80s, both suffering from underlying health conditions. On Monday, Carroll County health officials announced the virus spread to an additional 11 residents, bringing the total number of cases to 77, with 16 patients hospitalized.
And I don't think it's extremely unusual to see something like this when it's unknown to spread through a nursing home.
Officials say 18 of the 95 residents tested negative. Chopper 13 was over the nursing home as the National Guard was on scene. You can see people dressed in full protective gear, and the sheriff's office sent up a mobile command unit. The health department says the National Guard is deploying a medic unit to the facility to assess all residents' conditions and determine which residents need a higher level of care.
There are some people who will get into real trouble with this disease. They will lose their ability to breathe properly. They will feel weak. These are people who may have underlying conditions, or as I said earlier, they may not.
Police blocked off the entrance, restricting outside visitors. Health officials say the facility is isolating infected patients and screening staff members, hoping to stop the spread.
And this is extremely serious because of the vulnerable nature.
Now, as of right now, officials say that no staff members have tested positive for COVID-19. Now, health officials say that they do plan on bringing in additional medical staff to help take care of those patients. And local hospitals say that they will be donating some extra gear, some supplies. That way those medics can protect themselves while they take care of the patients. Reporting live tonight, Kelsey Kushner for WJZ.
All right, Kelsey, thank you. A resident at Crest Senior Living Community in Parkville also tested positive. The facility sent out a letter over the weekend confirming a resident in its continuing care neighborhood has now tested positive. The letter goes on to say anyone who may have come into contact with that patient has been notified and should stay inside their home for 14 days.